This is a retake of the elevator at Macy's Men's Children's Home, Coral Square in Coral Springs, Florida. There's the mall. There's the elevator sign. And we got another elevator sign. Right here. We got an original 80s Westie, but this is not in the best shape. Oh, that bell is back. Look at that. 2. Listen to the motor. Hear it 2. One. Here's the cab view. Pretty nice elevator. Not so nice of a motor. Going down. Here's one. Take it up one more time. Here's your certificate. Oh my god, this thing has been expired for 7 years. I have a YouTube channel about elevators, so alright. We're gonna see if the bell rings.